Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page. So if you're currently experiencing this error that you're seeing right here on my screen, I'm going to walk you through a couple of things that you need to do in order to fix this on your computer. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, is to turn on script debugging. So go ahead and click Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simple type in Internet Options. And once you find once you find it, go ahead and open up it. And go ahead and click on the Advanced tab. And you want to look for Disable Script Debugging. Ensure that this is checked and go ahead and hit Apply. So if you're not seeing Disable Script Debugging, other right here is checked. Go ahead and check yours. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now, the next thing I want to recommend for you is to clear your browser temp files. So go ahead and click the Windows key again on your taskbar or your keyboard and simple type in Internet Options, and you want to go ahead and open that. Now this time you want to click on the Generals tab, and of course go ahead and click on Delete from here and ensure that temporary files, cookies, and histories are all checked. By default they're checked anyways. And if you want to delete anything else, such as your download history or whatever, you want to go ahead and select them and click on delete. You don't need to have password nor form data checked, or as I said, you can leave it as is with these four options as you see selected by default, and simply hit on delete, and that's all that you have to do for this step. Now you want to move on to clearing your temp folder. So just simply right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and you want to type in run and simple type in the modulus sign or percent temp percent, right? So you want to type in that and hit and enter on your keyboard or simply clicking OK right here. It's going to open up your temp folder as you can see right here. This is, I'm going to move it over so that you can have a look. Now all you have to do for all these temp files, guys, just select control. Just select one of them, press Ctrl A, and hit the delete icon at the top. If you're not seeing the delete icon right here, just simply press Shift plus delete on your keyboard and go ahead and delete these files. Any files that are not deleting, you can simply skip them. The most important thing is that you delete as much as possible coming out of this temp folder. Now, the next thing you want to do is to do a disk cleanup. So click the Windows key on your keyboard again, and you want to go ahead and type in disk cleanup. You'll find that. Go ahead and open up the disk cleanup. And what I recommend that you do in this step is to uncheck everything. So you want to uncheck thumbnails, you want to uncheck download program files, and the only one you want to leave checked is temporary internet files. Once you go ahead and do that, simply click on OK. You'll have a pop-up right here that says delete files. Just simply click on delete files. And once that is done, this step is completed. And guess what, guys? That's the final thing. I guarantee you, once you go ahead and restart your PC, simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar again, then go to where it says shut down and sign out and simply do a restart. If you see any updates showing on your PC like update and restart, I recommend that you do that option. So you want to do the update and restart. So by doing that, your computer will do an update and restart. Or if there's no update, just simply restart. And then you want to go ahead and try again. So once your PC turns back on, you go ahead and try it out. I wish you all the luck and I hope that fixes your problem. If you're still having problems, let me know in the comments below. But these are the basic things that you want to do to be able to fix that error as occurred in the script on this page problem that you're facing. Thank you guys for watching. Wish you the best of luck, and I hope these steps that I've shared with you will fix the problem for you. See you guys in the next video.